The auditory mechanism. The structures of the outer ear are the pinna, which is a visible flap of skin made up of cartilage that has various ridges and hollows, and the external auditory meatus, EAM, which is a tube that is closed at one end and contains oil glands that secrete cerumen, which is earwax. The outer ear function. The pinna catches sound and funnels it down the EAM all the way to the eardrum, also known as the tympanic membrane, causing it to vibrate. The pinna and the EAM also boost or amplify sounds. The function of the cerumen in the EAM is to trap small debris from entering the canal. The middle ear structures. Tympanic membrane, which is also known as the eardrum, is an airtight seal or boundary between the outer and middle ear. The malleus, incus, and stapes are the three bones that make up the ossicular chain. The eustachian tube is the passageway that connects the middle ear to the back of the throat. The tensor tympani and the stapedius muscles are the middle ear muscles that attach to the malleus and the stapes. The middle ear function. When the tympanic membrane vibrates, if the sound exceeds 80 decibels, the tensor tympani and stapedius muscles contract, causing the ossicular chain to stiffen. This increases the acoustic impedance of the ear, protecting the ear against intense sounds. The middle ear carries sound from the eardrum all the way to the cochlea. The eustachian tube equalizes the pressure in the middle ear. Yawning, swallowing, and chewing are activities that help the eustachian tube open up or pop. The inner ear structures. The bony labyrinth is divided into three parts: the vestibule, the semicircular canals, and the spiral-shaped cochlea that contains the organ of Corti, the hearing organ, and also the membranous labyrinth, which is an indolent-filled sac floating in the perilymph. The inner ear structures continued. The oval window, which is the entrance from the middle ear to the inner ear, and the round window, another opening into the cochlea, located on the wall of the middle ear cavity just below the oval window. The function of the inner ear is to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. When the footplate of the stapes moves in and out of the oval window, the round window bulges to counteract pressure. The traveling wave of sound goes across the basilar membrane, causing an up and down movement of the organ of Corti. This movement causes the cilia in the hair cells to bend, creating a shearing action with the tectorial membrane. Neurotransmitters are released from the cochlea to the auditory nerve, and finally to the auditory cortex in the brain.